Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is January 23rd, 2019, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about Tron paired against the USD today. I got this article here on the left side of my screen just to show you all whether or not is this the reason why Tron is seeing an increase to the upside. Okay, it was listed or uploaded to the internet here on the 22nd of January 2019. This is relatively old. Once I go through this article, you will see when Oracle and Tron tried to form a new partnership between both companies or both entities. Okay, and the market move has been literally after Justin Sun went ahead and did out this tweet. This tweet was done October 20, 2018. Right here on this particular day is when Justin Sun went ahead and sent out that tweet, and as you all can tell, the market took a straight dip from this tweet. Now this article is trying to insinuate that this is the reason why the market can see some positivity moving to the upside. Question is that if that was the case, if this partnership was such a positive thing when it first was posted by Justin Sun on Twitter, why did the stock fall down to the downside? See, that is why we at HueFin News did not focus a lot of attention on articles, on videos. We focus only and solely on the price chart because there's a lot of discrepancies amongst what you read, what you see versus what is already listed on the price chart. The price chart already tells us what the market wants to do. Okay, now if you guys can remember, the last time we told you about Tron, we were looking for the market to continue to move higher. We said it had to stay above some very crucial support areas, which it has in fact done. And even here on the weekly chart in Tron, you can still see here how the market is still a little bit euphoric for some higher prices. Now the market is giving us some strength on the weekly chart, but you can still tell here over the last 3 weeks of October, you can see here how the market couldn't break above that 3-cent price. Tron is going to try to do it again now, and being that we are at the middle of this week with this light volume, it is very suspect as to determine whether or not Tron's going to be able to break above 3 cents. Okay, but nevertheless, the strength is still being maintained as this recording. We are staying above this ascension line here on the weekly chart. The daily price chart continues to show us the same thing. The market is bouncing off of this ascension line, and we're still seeing strength. Now the question to you now lies, where is the resistance area going to be? Now as I zoom out, you can still tell here that the market in Tron is getting some resistance at this particular price at that 0.028 cents area. So all eyes need to be on to see whether or not Tron can actually break above that price. If not, we will see an increase in volume to push this particular cryptocurrency back down to lower prices. Okay, currently you can see that Tron is up 1%, and moving it to a smaller time frame, this 3-hour bar is giving us some inclinations of a change in tone in the market. Okay, so obviously that 0.028 cent area is still resistance in Tron. If we're able to trade above 0.026 cents, then this currency is going to try to move to the upside at a later date. But we're still seeing indications of the market reflecting to us that it wants to continue to move higher. I'm telling you now that we're hitting some resistance at that 0.028 cent. We will need to see some precursors of strength bars entering the market in order to allow us to break above that price. If we do not see that, I'm telling you now, Tron is going to hold consolidation and even continue its move to the downside. So the long-term move in Tron is still pretty good. We are definitely staying above this ascension line. We are still seeing indications of the market trying to move higher. The only hurdle that Cardano has to break above or overcome is that 0.028 cent price. Okay, if Tron can do that, then it's going to be off to the races. We're going to try to hit that 3-cent price and try to move higher than that. Okay, so the analysis thus far is for Tron to continue to move higher, but I'm definitely putting y'all on notice that 0.028 cent area is resistance. If we're able to break above it, I will be looking for the market to continue to move to the upside. Until then, expect Tron to hold its consolidation and even try to continue its moving back down to lower prices. Okay, so I know it might sound confusing, but you got to play it out like a playbook. Okay, if Tron is not able to break above that 0.028 cents, which I'm not looking for it to do right now, then we will continue to move to the downside. That's why I pointed out to you that Tron cannot break to the downside 0.026 cents or maybe 0.0265 right up here in this particular area. These are the crucial support areas in Tron in order for us to see a continuation to the upside. So as we continue to trade out today, tomorrow, and Tron is able to maintain it and trade above those prices, then it will move to the upside. If it doesn't, Tron will continue to move lower in price. So that's why I'm telling you earlier that we are seeing some changes in tone in the market that is insinuating that Tron is getting weaker and we will try to move lower in price. Okay, so that's how you got to play this particular market at this particular time for Tron. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. We do appreciate you all taking out the opportunity to watch this video. If you do like it, go ahead and share it, like it as well. If this is your first time watching our video and you see how easy it is to give you our price predictions, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to hit that bell so you all become notified when we upload this particular content. And if you're interested in getting more analysis for the altcoins paired against BTC, we definitely have a paid service on our Patreon page. From there, we give you a daily analysis for the top 10 cryptocurrencies paired against BTC. And hopefully you all may be able to learn a little bit more about how we're able to read price charts without causing you any confusion. Again, make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will talk to you later.